Hey, Mr. Brown. So boring today. I spent like my whole day just looking at leaves and stuff.
You know what stinks?
What?
Forgot to dye my hair today.
Dude, you ran out of hair dye again?
Yeah?
That place, they just rip you off, man.
I know, I mean seriously. What is a clown without a clown hair?
I don't get it, man. You have to, can't even speak. Well, anyway, I was at the nerd convention the other day, and I learned this thing about, it's called Pokemon.
Oh, I love Pokemon!
But, they're like these ball things, they're like red and white. And, well, can't exactly remember. Everyone thinks it's really cool.
It is cool!
And,
God,
there are these things called masters, or...
Yeah, like Ash!
Ash? Yeah, Ash.
Like Ash.
Sure. But,
Ash.
anyway, just imagine if we were Pokemon masters.
Dude, you're looking the wrong way.
Oh.
Go, Mr. Schmidt! Yay! Pokemon Masters!
Wrong theme song, but oh well.
Pokemon